you going?
I follow you.
Why?
Madam, danger if they set that place so.
My friend, there's no danger in my mother's house. Just go back.
Are you sure?
Yes. Go back.
If you say so.
I said so.
Hi, sugar pie. I missed you. Sit.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you? But that's not reflecting on your face.
Don't mind the looks on my face. I'm actually fine.
I am deeply worried. That's why I keep telling you to come live with me. I know that Polycarp Ekwozo cannot take good care of you.
Mom, he is my father.
And I am your mother.
And I can't leave him.
He has poisoned your mind against me, right?
How would you say such a thing?
I have every reason to say that because I know him too well. He is good at making people hate each other. And I can see he has already done that. Because if he hasn't, why won't you come live with me?
Mom, please. I'm not here for fight. I'm not here for quarrel either.
Well, from your approach, it seems that's why you are here.
No. That's not why I'm here.
Very well then. I guess you've come to spend your holiday with me. So tell your driver to unpack your bags. I promise to take good care of you to the least.
That is also not why I'm here.
Hi, Dad.
You better sit down.
All that I have an appointment to catch.
Listen, there is something very important I want us to discuss, and that is why I'm asking you to sit down.
Dad, this important thing can't it wait?
This is the best time for us to hold this discussion. Sit down.
What time to have a discussion now? All right, Dad, I'm seated.
Tobenna, you need to pick a wife and start building your own family.
Are you talking to me, Dad?
Stop playing dumb with me because you know I'm talking to you. Tobenna, you are not getting any younger. And that is why I need you to start thinking of picking a wife so you will start building your own family.
Come on, Dad.
Do you actually think this is funny?
Of course, Dad, it's funny.
Very well then. So why exactly are you here? Because I cannot and do not understand you anymore.
I want you back home. Can't you reconcile with Daddy?
Never! Your father and I are over. I cannot come back to that house. I don't want you to talk about
It's okay, Mommy. Can't you just forgive? Well, I'll just let it be for now. But be rest assured, I'm coming back for this matter.
Ada. Ada Diche. Ada. Ada. Ada Diche.
You were the one sleeping. Can you come and move this car?
Stop that car! Stop the car! Ada Diche. Adam, please calm down.
I'm no longer in the mood.
Let's sort this out.
Mom, we can do this when next I come, please. I'm sorry.
What was the meaning of that? No, why were you laughing over what I said? Does it mean you do not understand the importance of marrying early or what?
Dad, please, can we have this discussion when I come back?
Listen.
Dad, the person I'm going to meet is waiting.
I think the time has come for me to say this the way it should be said. Tobenda, you are not going anywhere until we are done with this discussion.
What? Why? Why would you say a thing like that? Dad, come on, why are you doing this to me?
I have not done anything. You are the one doing yourself.
How?
I need you to take a pause. Consider the request I have just made. Give me a tangible response, and then you will be free to go wherever you want to go.
All right, fine. Dad, let me make this as plain as possible for you to understand. Dad, I'm still very young. I am still very young to start talking about marriage now. I mean, Dad, do you know the restrictions that come with a man pinning his entire life with just one woman? Come on, Dad, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, I have my life to enjoy. Let me enjoy my life, then later we can talk about marriage.
You know, when you sound this way, you give me reason to start wondering if actually my blood is the blood that flows in your body. Tobenda, you are in your prime. And this is the best time for any young man to pick a wife. When I was your age, I was already married.
Dad, you shouldn't be saying that. That was then, Dad. It is no longer obtainable now.
Nothing has changed. The only thing is that you young men of nowadays are so scared of being committed. You are afraid of commitment, and to me, that is the very definition of irresponsibility.
But I know you are not referring to me. Because you know me, that I am your son. I am not scared of rest. I'm not scared of commitment.
Listen to Bennett. Consider what I have just said. Plan to pick a wife and start building a family, or a lot of things will go very awful for you in this house.
Dad, how do you mean?
Do what you are supposed to do. What I am asking you to do. Or you will leave me with no other option than to do what you know I can do.
Who be that?
It's me, Chama.
Hey. Madam, welcome.
Thank you. How are you, Adam?
Madam, very fine. Oh.
It's okay.
Madam, this one you come very late. Oga Tobena just drive come out now.
Oh, I saw him. But trust me, he's not going far.
Okay.
So I'll just wait for him inside.
Okay, madam, no problem.
Is Chief in?
Yeah, in the inside.
Okay, I'll be inside.
Okay, madam. Madam, welcome, eh? Yeah, wait, madam, I say yan too.
My one and only madam concerned. The most beautiful and charming. You're not looking happy. What is it?
I'm fine. Come inside.
Well, Chief. My name is Choma. Quite alright. But my friends call me Chomi, you know.
Show me. That sounds like something edible. Something they eat. Like maybe cake.
Oh.
Or ice cream. Or
Exactly.
Or maybe banana.
Yeah. You know what, Chief? I'm actually quite edible. It's just that you haven't made any others, you know.
I don't understand.
What is there to understand, Chief? Don't you like what you see? I mean...
Really?
Take a good look at this. All of this. Don't you like it? Oh, Chief.
Can you tell me what the problem is?
You're not supposed to visit my house without my permission.
I'm sorry about that. I was trying to get you over the phone, but you were not taking my calls. So I got worried.
I don't like it. It has to stop. If you call and I didn't pick, it means one thing. It's either I am busy or I cannot sustain the call where I am.
Well understood. So, what are you saying about my proposal?
Which of the proposal? Because you've proposed some other things. Which one are you talking about?
I'm talking about making you my wife.
Confronting, I told you to give me time to think about it.
I know, but it's taking longer time.
Because it's a decision that will affect my entire life. I don't need to rush it, do I?
You're right.
Thank you.
It's okay, just take your time then, okay?
Thank you.
My cousin is having a birthday party today. So I want us to attend the birthday party together.
Excuse me? Why would you even want to attend a birthday party with me. Why do you say that?
Why not? Why won't you attend the birthday party with me?
Nothing. Just that I am not interested in attending party.
Shema, in one very short sentence.
Show me.
What exactly do you want?
Oh, well. I want you.
Can you just stand?
Why, Jay?
Can you just stand? You should know we can't be doing this here.
Oh.
Someone can easily walk in, and you know what that means.
Okay.
Can you just sit down? We can talk anything it is.
Okay, that's fine. Understandably. Oh!
Listen.
Yes.
I am not a boy not to understand the game you are playing.
I know.
I am not a dullard not to know what you have up your skull. But you should be able to know that I am too decent for this nonsense. Don't try this again. When you are done fooling yourself, you know how to get out.
What exactly is going on here? I thought he was getting ready for us to enjoy ourselves.
How else am I supposed to reconcile my parents? None of them want to hear about each other. Is there anything they did that cannot be easily forgiven? I think there is more to this than the ordinary eyes can see. And I must find a way to resolve whatever the problem is.
Love never dies, baby. Let's work this love. Make it shine again. Like diamond, make it shine again. Oh baby, let us fix this love and make it new. Oh baby, let us fix this love and make it new.
Open your gates.
Madam, this one that you are looking like this, your face is not bright as the morning star at the back. Madam, what's happening?
It's fine. It's nothing I can handle. Just open the gate.
No, madam, don't tell me like this now. Tell me what is the problem. I promise you I'll have a solution.
Are you stupid? Don't you understand simple English? I said open the gate.
Sorry, madam.
Sorry for yourself.
Yeah.
Adam, come here.
Okay, sir. I'm here.
To the best of your knowledge, that lady, she comes into this compound for Tobenna, my son, right?
Yes, sir. To the best of my knowledge, she is Tobenna, babe.
Listen, now from today going forward, on no account must you open that gate for her to come into this compound when Tobenna is not in the house. Have I clearly understood?
Yes, sir. What's happened? What's happened? Abi, she don't go commit. How? Village people don't come. Village people don't come. Oh God. Anything We go want that beautiful woman to get problem for this house. Father, I bind it in the name of Jesus. Because the Bible says, whatever I declare on earth shall be established in heaven. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Let the church say, Amen. God take charge.
Daddy, I want to ask you a question. And I want you to give me an honest answer.
Well, if I have an answer to the question you want to ask me, trust me, I will give you a very positive response.
So what exactly happened between you and my mother?
Well, the question you just asked me should be better answered by your mother.
So does it mean you don't know anything that happened between both of you?
Technically, yes. I don't know anything.
But something is telling me you know much about it.
Well, if it has gotten to the point that something is now talking to you, then you can as well ask that something to give you the answer you seek.
Dad, we're not done talking. You can just walk out on me like that. We're not done talking. Dad! Dad!
Love never dies, baby. Let's work this love, make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine.
Yeah, hello?
Listen, whatever you think you are planning with Adadeche would not work. I bet my life to it.
I don't understand. I am not planning anything with her.
Do not play that game with me because you know exactly what I am talking about. And I want you to stop. Stop already.
I don't know where this is coming from. I don't know what you're saying. I'm not planning anything with Adadeche.
Polycarp Ekwozo. I've always known you not just to be a pretender, but a liar. A big liar.
Listen, woman, you should mind how you talk. You are speaking with a titled man and you should be very conscious of the kind of things you say.
When a titled man put up an act despicable of the title he parades, he will be spoken to in an unlike manner. Yes.
You know what I feel? Something is actually eating you up. Are you not going to open up for us to see how we can help instead of dying in silence?
It is you something is really eating deep into because I don't see why you should send Adadeche to come plead with me to reconcile with you.
Well, if Adadeche actually did what you just said, she is on her own. I did not send her to you, and I will never send her to you.
Polycarp Ekwozo. You know your problem? Pride. Pride is trying to bend your head. And until you come on your knees and beg me for forgiveness, I will never return to that house. Mark it.
See, obnoxious request is what you are making. And I, High Chief Polycarp Ekwozo, will never succumb to the manipulations of a woman suffering from delusions of grandeur. I am not ever going to apologize over an offense I did not commit. Apologize to the woman who just packed her things and left my house for no reason. Just get out of my phone.
What is wrong with this man? He's a beast. A real beast. Oh, you think he can intimidate me? I won't allow him to do that to me. I will never allow him to do that to me. Not more.
Please, so our love will shine, please, like diamond in the morning.
Dad.
Courtesy demands that before any decent human being enters into a room that is not his own, that he should knock on the door.
Dad, I was actually going out and Adam told me that you locked the gate.
I was just telling you something about courtesy. Why are you not talking about that?
Dad, please. I'm not here for any lecture about courtesy.
Listen, you have to apply the rule of courtesy before I can discuss anything with you. Go ahead.
You didn't just say that, Dad.
I said it. Go out there and then knock on that door and allow me to ask you to come in. That is courtesy.
Dad, listen. I have a club to attend this night, okay? And my friends are already waiting for me. Please, can I have the keys? Please.
You're very stupid. Apply the rule of courtesy if you want us to discuss anything.
All right, fine.
Good.
Father, I will go out and come in. But please, before I come back, have the keys handy. Get them ready.
Very stupid idiot. Yes, come in.
All right. I'm in. The keys?
The gate is actually locked because you are not going anywhere.
Why, Father? I mean, why are you doing everything possible to turn this peaceful home, this peaceful family, into a military facility? Why?
Well, it has become a military facility. You remember I told you that things will actually get very awful for you in this very place. If you fail to pick a woman, you will make your wife.
Father, why are you forcing me to marry? Why are you forcing me to marry? My grandfather never forced you to marry. Why are you doing that to me, Father?
Well, it is not a force to marry naturally, but your case has become very unnatural. And that is why it is a force for you to get married. You are going to get married. Okay?
All right, Father. Let me make this plain to you so you can understand. That my friends are waiting for me at the club. I need to go out and ball.
Call them and let them know you are not coming. Because you are not going anywhere. You are not leaving this compound for anywhere. Okay? Unless you want to skate through the fences, and if you try that, you are not coming into this compound again.
Why do I feel like strangling you at times?
Can you? You can't. You are my son, and you have to do what I want you to do for your own good.
Good morning, my angel. How are you? This one you're dressed already. It's obvious you're going out.
I'm going out. Can I have a word with you?
All right. Why not? I'm all ears.
Okay.
What is it?
So I just want to know, is it that you're not interested in this reconciliation process that you want to initiate for Daddy and Mommy?
No, I am not interested. I mean, it's none of my business.
Why?
Listen, I'm a teacher. Mom and Dad are two adults who know exactly what they want for themselves. I mean, what they want for their lives. Okay? And part of what they want is to live separately and remain happy for the rest of their lives. Alright? So, I'm of the opinion that you forget about this, your reconciliation, whatever you call it, and just get busy with something useful with yourself. Okay? Let nature take its full course.
You know, I'm so disappointed to hear this from you.
Of course, I know that you're going to be disappointed because you hate to hear the truth.
No,
Wow.
I don't hate to hear the truth. I mean, I just want them back. I want them to live in the same house, under the same roof. Nothing else.
Easier said than done. That's not possible. Okay? And it's quite unfortunate that there is nothing you or I can do about it.
Can I tell you something? It's possible.
Ah.
Because I've actually added it to my agenda and I'm going to achieve it. Definitely.
I'm watching the movie.
Love never dies.
Let me see how it turns out.
Baby, let's work this love. Make it shine again. Like diamond.
And I wasn't expecting to see you back so soon.
Well, you should be expecting to see me often until you reconcile with my daddy.
If you're here to talk about your father, then I'm not interested.
Okay, can I just ask a question?
Please do.
What exactly happened between both of you?
I don't have answer to that question.
So, should I just believe you woke up one day and decided to pack your things and leave his house? Is that it?
Your father should be the one to answer that question perfectly because I don't know. Maybe, just maybe he can tell you what happened.
This is exactly what he told me when I asked him. So does it mean both of you are hiding something from us?
I in particular, I am not hiding anything, but I can't say same for your father.
Girlfriend, I'll see you soon.
You are playing a dangerous game, Choma. A very dangerous game, and it will backfire soon. Sooner than you know.
Well, trust me, my darling friend. I'm in charge of this circus. Nothing will backfire.
I have seen games like this, deadly games like this backfire, and trust me, it comes with dire consequences.
Mm-hmm. I know that. But I want to assure you 100%, this will work. It won't backfire.
Okay, but can I ask you a question?
As usual, feel free, anything.
Why did you decide to settle for a secret relationship with Chief?
Come on. You don't need to be so bright or too intelligent to have an answer to that question. Chief has loads and loads of money. And if I succeed in luring him to bed with me, he's going to spend it on me without restriction. And that's what I want. What's a girl without money?
I hate to tell you that Chief doesn't strike to me like that kind of a loose person. He is too principled to play such games. And besides, Tobina is very wealthy. He's got lots of money to throw around. If you ask him, he would give it all to you.
What's your problem? Babe, why you drink Panadol for my headache?
So...
Don't be waiting. Let me ask you a question. You have the owner of a bakery. And you have the manager, or even the baker. Who would you go for? No, tell me. I want the sauce. Chief is the sauce, and that's what I want. I be they go push sugar for a mouth and go say remove an bitter leaf I want. Baby, I be no they bother me again now. See, don't interfere. I want you.
Babe, chill now. You never reach like that. You never reach for bakery, owner of bakery, baker, and even bread.
You don't pass.
Slow down. Slow down. Settle with Tobina. I don't want you to regret anything, my friend.
No regrets. I am in charge. Okay? Stop. What? Babe, how did they make money when you say they stay this house? You never even rent your house. You want to teach me I want to live my life. What thing they happen now? Baby, you'll go find house, so.
Let's come bring all this.
No. It's very, very important. Wait, what's this? If I wanted to live with my father and mother, I would have just, gone back to the house. I wouldn't have rented an apartment in the first place. And now you're squatting and you want to teach me how to live my life?
You don't reach to insult me.
No, you don't reach. You might put you in your place. You don't get a relationship. You want to advise me for a relationship. Babe, allow me go do my thing. How do I look? What is her? Why are they surprised? Look me, never see if I can get before. How do I look? Look me up, down. What's up?
You look good.
And smile when you're saying it.
You look good.
Now you're talking. Thank you.
Are you going already?
Yes, I have to go.
Just like that?
Just like that. That reminds me. Who is Mr. Clinton to you?
What? What kind of stupid question is that?
I just want to know. Who is it to you?
Do you think I have anything to do with him?
I don't know. Maybe you should tell me.
Now listen, Adadiche. For the record, I don't have anything to do with Mr. Clinton, and that's all you will know about him.
Oh. Really? And visit?
What?
Nothing. Wow. That's nice. So when do you plan on coming back? You don't know? It's okay. It's okay.
Love never dies, baby. Let's work this love. Make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again. Oh baby, let us fix this love.
Dad, please, I will give my car keys. Did you by any chance see it?
I have the key.
All right, Dad. Could I have it?
Well, I told you that things will go very awful for you in this house if you fail to introduce a woman for marriage. Were you actually thinking I was joking when I said that?
Dad, why are you doing this? Please, Dad, don't tell me that this game you're playing, you mean it.
You are very stupid to be referring to this as a game. You know, your biggest problem is that you don't even know the man who your father is. He is not one of those men that will say things and will not mean them.
All right, Dad, I've heard you. I'll think about it.
Tobin, I am not expecting you to think about it. I am actually expecting you to do something about it, and until you do, your means of transportation is car. Oh yes, and don't make the mistake of going to buy another car, because if you try that, within 24 hours, I am going to impound that new car.
Why? Dad, why? Why are you doing this? Dad, why are you bent on frustrating me? Why? What have I done? That I've told you, give me time, I will think about what he said.
As far as I am concerned, I am already done with you.
Love never dies, baby. Let's work this love. Make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again.
Sorry, give me a minute.
Oh my God.
Hi. So I want you to do something for me.
Waiting with that, madam.
You know Mr. Clinton?
It's okay, that time away in here they shine like Omolo. I know.
How many times does he come here in a week?
Times. Three times in a week, 9 they come.
3 times?
3.
And does he pass the night here?
Pass. No, they sleep here. My last time we sleep here, no, they sleep here. If you come,
Can
you
you
go.
do me a favor?
Favor.
I'll send you money to your account.
Money? Now is small they talk. I got madam. What do you want me to do for you? Talk. Tell me.
Okay, anytime he comes here, just be at alert. Anytime he comes here, just give me a call.
I give you call, finish.
That's all.
Now I know the problem now.
You can do it, right?
Hey, sharp.
Okay, so just give me your account number.
We can turn back the time, but we can make it right.
This business, so talking money for inside though.
We can
draw your beer now.
Put your account number for them.
but we can heal the fight.
Sandy.
Keep your papa name.
Let's take
You go say and then not trying to ask me. You are my papa.
Come, papa name now.
Sam.
Chief,
How did you get into my room?
Come on, Jeff. Well, I know the nooks and crannies of this house. Come on.
Really? So, what exactly are you doing in my room, lying on my bed?
Well, Chief, I came to make your day a wonderful one. Come on. I know you're a strong man, but you don't have to be this hard with me. Strong men do unwind at times, you know. And can we just get busy and get back to business?
Listen. I am not hurried. I'm going to do something that may be defined as unthinkable.
You're hurting me.
I will do worse than hurting you if you fail to get out of this room right now.
Oh my word,
You claim you know the nooks and crannies of this house, but you don't actually know the man who built the house.
But Chief, come on, it's no fault of mine. I mean, you mean the world to me and I love you so much. But you're still hurting me.
Listen. Can you get on, wear your footwear, and get out of this room this minute?
Come on, Chief, I love you.
Listen, if you fail to get out of this room right now, I am going to call my security and I will ask him to molest you. Listen, nothing will happen. You want to dare me? You really want to dare me?
Fine. I'm just trying to make your day good.
Get out.
Okay. Well, you're missing a lot, Chief. I mean, you mean you want to really let this go like all of this? Okay.
What is this? What will I not see?
Wait, I hate to say that I told you or that I warned you. This is not going to work.
So why are you laughing? What's funny? Is this a comedy show? Can you keep your opinions to yourself? I don't need your snide remarks. Why is he behaving the way he did? Come on. At first he was nice to me. He gave me money each time I visited his son. Then now why would he just turn around and...
Oh. I didn't get that part. I missed that part. You mean this man was nice to you at some point and you mistook his kindness for interest in your powerhouse? Hello? Come on, girlfriend, grow up.
Are you even okay? Was I talking to you? I wasn't even talking to you in the first place. What do you mean by grow up? Babe, respect yourself now. Which kind of thing be this one?
But you know what I mean.
No, I don't know what you mean. Respect yourself. Stay out of my issues. Butt out of my matters.
Come on, Chummy.
You go find agent too.
Chama, this man, the last I checked, this man is a good and generous man. He's a nice man.
Hello. Hi. Wake up from your slumber. There is no good and generous man in this country. Trust me. No free lunch in Freetown. In this Nigerian would so. Babe, there is no man that would be kind or nice to any girl without wanting to even go down with her. Wake up from your slumber.
I hate to say that this man has finally busted your bubbles. He has proven to you that not every man is interested in your... You know what I mean? wake up. This man is not going to be interested. Stop this whole game.
He will be. You see this, your unsolicited advice? Stop it. As for Chief, I won't rest until Chief and I are stuck naked on a bed with our arms wrapped around each other, lovingly at that.
Well, I will be seated here, waiting to tell you that I warned you.
No. Here's what you would do, my darling. You will pick up your phone and call an agent to get you a house, because I am so done with you in this house. Stay out of my matters, for God's sake.
Okay, let me hear one.
Keep your opinions to yourself and go get a house. Yes, go get your house.
You won't carry the house for heads.
Baby, you come up from my house today. You know what? No, this arrangement no go work.
What is wrong with her daddy share? She has not eaten her food again? What is going on? Her daddy share! Her daddy share! Here you are. I saw your food left on the dining, untouched. That means you have not eaten anything.
I'm not hungry. I don't have appetite for food.
If you don't have appetite for that kind of food, you are supposed to tell me what you want. You know I would have ordered it for you.
Food is not my priority now.
Really?
Yes. I mean, of what use is food to me when my parents are separated and none of them could be matured enough to relate things with me? Tell me what happened? What happened so that we can sort things out?
Adadiche, you have just diverted the subject matter here.
Daddy, this is the main deal. Talk to me. What happened? Because I am no longer happy with all these things. I don't like it.
Why are you overworking yourself? Why? Listen, there is this new restaurant in town. Very cozy. Everything is almost in perfect state. I can take you there. If you prepare, I will take you there. Let us order something nice and eat.
Are you being serious right now? You know one thing about you, you don't always take things serious. And I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat.
Love never die, baby. Let's work this love. Make it shine again, like diamond. Make it shine again, oh baby. Let us fix this love and make it new.
I hope I didn't keep you waiting.
I know. You're permitted to do whatever you want.
Okay.
Why is it not opening?
I don't know.
I'm sure it's not a fake one.
Oh, what do you take me for? Like I'm going to get a fake drink or something.
It's possible.
Come on, baby. Don't do that. So I actually called here so that we can discuss something very important.
Okay, I'm all ears.
All right. I want us to take this. It's our relationship. I want us to take it to the next level.
Okay, what level are you talking about?
The level of marriage.
Are you indirectly proposing to me?
Yes.
Ah.
What's that?
What?
Please. Be my wife.
That was smooth. What if I refuse?
You won't refuse, baby.
Why?
Because I'm the best.
Of course you are. Yes.
All right.
It's This is so beautiful.
I hope you like it.
I love it.
Thank you for accepting to be my wife.
Have I ever told you I love you?
You've said it over 1,000 times, baby.
Well, I want to say it one more time. I love you.
I love you more.
I love you more.
If you listen to me, you will agree that there is a need for you to settle with your husband.
Sonia, I don't want to believe that you left your house to this place to preach reconciliation to me. Huh?
Hey, no, sweetheart. No. I only came here to tell you that husbands and wives do have challenges and misunderstanding. But the ability to settle it without third parties, it's what strengthens the bond in marriage.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, I am not interested. You can take this sermon to someone else.
To where, if I may ask?
To Chief. I believe he needs the sermon more than I do.
Come on, my friend. Chief is a man. An African man at that. Oh, hold on. Are you waiting for Chief to come here, kneeling and begging you for forgiveness? No, let me know. But let me tell you, if it is what you are waiting for, then you should have everything.
You see your problem? You've joined the wagon of women killing women. Who says a man doesn't need a marriage seminar to attend, listen, and know the do's and don'ts in marriage? No, I'm asking. Well, I am not interested, and that is period. If you don't want to change the topic, you can. The door is open.
There is no problem, but you will need it when it's important.
Me.
You don't know the plans.
That's not my concern. You should understand.
I know I'm saying this.
Wait, did Chief ask you to come and tell me this?
This is really beautiful.
Babe, don't you think this calls for a bigger celebration?
Of course.
Okay.
I was about to say that. You just took the words right out of my mouth.
Okay.
Tell me, where are you taking me to?
Guess.
Just tell me. Please.
You say it.
Tell me.
You say it.
No, tell me.
Wherever you want, baby.
Oh, hold that thought.
Oh.
Before you spill,
Okay.
I have a favor to ask of you.
Anything, babe. I'm equal to the task. I mean, anything you want, I'll do it.
Relax. Can we stay with Chief here in this house after our wedding?
Hell no. Come on. I mean, there's no way we're staying here. Look, there's a duplex somewhere waiting for us to move in the moment we're done with our marriage. Okay? My dad said it's a wedding gift.
Well, I still think we should stay with Chief after our wedding.
Why?
Because, Chief will be all alone. I feel like he deserves the love and attention a woman can give to him. Ever since your mother left, he hasn't had that. So I feel after our wedding, we could move in here, take care of him together. And perhaps when your mother comes back, we can then move into the duplex. What do you think?
I think you have a point. Okay, I think you have a point. All right, I will give it a thought.
What do you need to think about? Come on.
Everything.
Like what exactly?
All right. Yes. We'll stay here.
You see why I love you. Oh my God, thank you. I love you.
I love you
So
more.
tell me, where are you taking me?
You name it, baby. I'm equal to the task.
Yeah, Mr. Jackson, the way you are sounding, it is very clear you have not actually checked your email. Check your email and you will discover that the business has pulled through. We are 1 billion naira richer. I told you that I have a very strong business acumen and you think I was joking or something? Listen, when I get involved in any business, it always says true. You know what, Mr. Jackson? I am going to call you back. My daughter just walked in and the way she's looking at me, it appears as if there is something she wants to say. So let me take care of her and I will call you back. Guess what, my girl?
No, but I can't guess.
At least guess. Be in the mood and guess.
No, I can't guess.
Okay, I'll tell you. There is a business we just see that this family has become 1 billion naira richer. You're supposed to be excited.
Why?
What?
Of what use is success in business and fat account when your family is disjointed?
Why are you sounding this way? You live here. Your mother packed her things and left on her own. I did not send her away. She left on her own because she was listening to her very useless friends who may have told her that a woman should not be living under a man, that a woman should be very free to do whatever she wants to do. She left. So what do you want me to do?
Daddy, as an African man that you are, as a real man that you are, the value you're supposed to keep is your family being intact. You're supposed to live together with your wife and not the other way around.
So I should do what? I don't understand.
You should call your wife back, talk some sense into her, give her the reason, the need for her to stay back, nothing else.
I am not going to do a thing like that because I am the son of my father. My father told me that a man who is a man, on no account, must he go begging a woman who left a marriage on her own. Why would you do that? Many of the men who did that actually died before their time. I am not going to do that. I don't want to die before my time. Okay?
Okay. So you want to throw everything?
What?
Everything you've worked for. You were the one that told me that you worked so hard to make your money. You worked harder to build your family.
Okay.
So all of a sudden you want to throw everything just because of common sorry. Since it's sorry she's seeking, just apologize and let everything go.
You know, listening to you, it is actually very clear she's the one that put these words in your mouth.
No.
Apologize to her on what ground? She left on her own. I did not send her away. So why should I go and apologize to her?
Daddy.
What crime did I commit?
What you did wrong or what you did right does not count now. What matters now is you making peace for your family. Your family should be your priority, nothing else. Before business. Please, Daddy. Call your wife back.
Hey. What is that?
Love never die, baby. Let's work this love, make it shine again.
I hope there's no problem.
Yes, there's no problem. I just want you to do me a favor.
Okay, if it is something that I can do, be rest assured that I will do it.
Yes, I am very sure that it's something you can do. That's why I want to talk to you about it.
Okay, let's hear it.
Sonia, listen, I want you to help me talk to Madam Concern. Listen, I love her so much. And I want her in my life. I want to make her my wife.
What? She's someone's wife. What is going on with you? Have you forgotten?
No, she was. She was someone's wife. They are separated now, and I really want...
They are not separated. They're only having issues, which is common in marriage. Now listen, Clinton. Marriage can only be deemed and separated only when the man collects back the bride price that was paid on the woman's head, or the woman returned the bride price that was paid on their head. But in this case, none of that has happened.
Good evening, my angel. Oh!
So you're happy like this. What's going on?
I am super excited.
It's showing all over your face.
I have good news.
Really? Tell me. I love good news.
Okay. I have found the woman I want to spend the rest of my life.
Oh! This is not just good news, it is great news.
Oh, you can say that again.
I just wish mom and dad can just attend this wedding as one big home, one big family.
Well, the truth is I wish that too, but it's quite unfortunate. I mean, there's nothing you nor I can do about it.
Let's not rule it out yet.
You say so.
So, who is this lucky lady?
Guess.
Guess? I can't guess.
Okay, let me tell you. They call her Chioma. I mean, her name is Chioma, but I call her Chomi. Chomi, the love of my life.
Chioma. Wow.
Do you have a problem with that?
No, not at all. I just feel since both of you know each other very well, I mean, things will work out. Definitely.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, this is a good news.
So we're going to celebrate, right?
Yes. Of course.
All right. So let me get us something to celebrate.
No problem.
Why are you always doing this?
What did I do?
Coming to my house without letting me know first.
I'm sorry about that.
That is what you said the last time you did it. Does it mean you are not in control of your actions?
Listen, I think we have something more important to talk about. So I am of the opinion we'll talk about it.
Very well. I'm all ears. What could that be?
I want you to return the bride price Chief paid on your head.
You say? You didn't just say that, did you?
I just did. Yes. I love you so much, Concern. And you mean the whole world to me. I want to make you my wife. Just return the bride price Chief paid on your head, and I will come with my people and pay your real bride price.
Wait. This is the highest joke I've heard in my life.
Come on, sweetheart. This is no joke. I'm serious.
I don't have time to discuss things.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a God in charge. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain.
I hope Tobenna is not planning to keep me here forever.
Daddy, calm down. They'll soon be here.
Listen, Adadisha, this is not about coming down. I have a business to control in my room. This is about the time some of my business partners in Europe are waiting for us to start a meeting, and I'm just here waiting. They should come for us to handle whatever it is.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Dad.
Good afternoon, Chief.
Good afternoon.
Oh, God. This is Choma. My angel. You already know her. The lady I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Tobenna, you will not marry her.
What? Dad. Honey, wait, please wait. Wait, please wait, please, I beg you, okay, we can sort this out, please.
Does it mean you didn't tell your father that I was coming?
My love, I did, I told him.
So why the humiliation?
I don't know, Angel, I don't know, okay, look, what I want from you right now is just to be calm, okay? Please, I promise you I will sort this out.
I wish I can, but this is really disturbing. Why would you behave this way with me?
Come here. Come. It's all right. I don't know, but let's just stay together. Everything will be fine. No, I love you. No. What do you want me to get for you?
Anything.
Anything. Are you sure? That's my smile.
Daddy, what just happened?
Adadisha, stay out of this.
I wish I can, but I can't. What happened?
What is happening here is far bigger than you. And that is why I'm asking you to stay very far away from this.
Is it that you know any ugly thing about that Auntie Choma that we don't know?
Well, I don't want to have that conversation with you. Can you respect that?
Daddy, you are beginning to act strange and I don't like it.
Well, like I told you, I have a business to be doing in my room.
Daddy, Daddy!
Stay out of this.
I can't stay out of it because it is my family matter. Daddy! What of a thing is this? What kind of terrible home is this?
Who are you?
I should be asking you that question, Mr. Man.
I said, who are you?
Clinton, please. Stop. What is the meaning of this?
What? Stay out of this. Stay out of this. I want you out of this place this minute.
What?
Are you mad? Are you demented, foolish, or something? What the hell are you two walking and start giving orders?
I should be asking you, are you mad?
Are you foolish?
Have you lost it?
Are you mad?
No, please.
Are you talking to me? Like you're talking to
What
me?
the fuck are you?
Oh my God! No! Please stop! 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 Stop!